bafethu, wola. This is Sbuda. What it do? What it do? What it da? We're back for yet another installment ahead. So what happens on this page, bafethu, is that I'm just trying to find a job, because you know the times are hard out there. So if you have a job, just let a comrade know, because things are not as easy as they seem out there. So you must be wondering what happened to the last job. I will tell you just now. But what is important is that you must stick to the end so you can find out what I rate this week's job as. So the last job that I did, it didn't work out because it was a tough one. It was a matter of life or death, if you get what I'm trying to say. Even the job that I was even doing last time, I want to say that I did it so well that I can tell you right now by looking at the Lion Tracker application that I even invented myself, that the lion is still there, it's alive and well. But I got a new job this week, and this job was offered to me by a friend of mine, and you can see it says here, boom operator wanted. It says professional boom operator, boom swinger position available for K-drama show. For K-drama show? No man, this doesn't make sense. This is not professional. People don't understand how to write things properly. For K-drama show. No, oh, I see why. It's because it's meant to be having an E afterwards. K-E, because it's a local show. K-drama, yabo, K-drama, bafethu, K-drama. That's what they're trying to say. But I'm ready to do this job, bafethu. I'm going to kill it. It's going to be fantastic. I am going to be this week I'm going to be a boom swinger. Has nothing to do with relationships, but bafethu, stay till the end so I can give you my rating. All right, let's get to it. Guys, boom swinging is easy. So this position is called the bench press. Then we have this one because it's from below and you hold it like this. This one is called the Nizokshaya. Then we have this one going, oh Lord, because the Lord is in the heavens. So it's usually when the person's above you, so you hold the microphone like this, the oh Lord. And then we have this one here that goes below because usually you are on top and they're under something. And you're shooting like this, you must hold this one. This one's called the Tokoloshe and you hold like this. This one's very, very, very close. This one is called Get Away From Me, COVID Still Exists, because it's very close to the face and you hold it here. It's for the extreme close-ups. Boom, mic is easy. So just go do it yourself at home. Practice, it's safe, and as soon as you're done practicing, sweep the floor.
Hola guys, I have someone set right now. Check it out. This is like all the equipment that they use. I don't know what it does, but you know movies. Don't think about it. Okay, we must just whisper because they're shooting.
날이 이렇게 화난데요. 신경 쓰지 말고 식사해요, 장비서. 그래도 저녁은 드시고 푹 자고 양질의 아침 먹으려고요.
Guys, they speak in Korean, which means the K is Korean drama.
이해한 거죠?
Okay, but it's fine. I'm still gonna do the job anyway because we must deliver and we're gonna do best. Yeah, okay, don't talk too much. They told me to. Do you want to see? I can't show you. I signed a non-disclosure.
이미 답답하다고 착 나가자고 하셔서 저는 공부를 못하고 말씀드렸습니다. 저는 더 잘했다는데.
This time is funny, man. You.
Shh. The guy is telling me to go away. I don't know if it means I must go back to my country or just leave the facility. Okay. Sharp.
Yo, guys, man, being a boom swinger / operator is a great job. I am having the time of my life, but there's just one problem, man. It's the language barrier. Yo, the language barrier is very, very real. When we go on to set, to be honest, I don't know when they are saying cut or when they're saying action, to be honest. So when I get on set, I just roll. I'm even rolling right now. And what's even worse right now is I'm excited to shoot, but I got my call sheet for the rest of the week. As you can see, we're busy, busy. But I don't know which name is mine. So I guess I'm going to be there at 5 a.m. with everybody, even if my call time is 12. But besides all of that, it doesn't matter, man. I'm having the time of my life. And also these shows, guys, these characters. They're too much. Brilliant. Talent! Talent. Brilliant. I wish I was on this job forever. Not till death, but forever. You know, Buffett, in the wise words of Nelson Mandela.
Sbuda, you should stop being a boom swinger. You suck.
And that's when we laughed together. Then I went home and I cried because it hurt. But I choose to look at the positive, and the positive is his other saying, which is very wise. Speak to a man in his home language, and you speak to his heart. I think it's time for me to learn Korean. Coriander. Korean. Wala Bafetu, this is day 2 of Sbuda in Korea. Things are going well. I've made a couple of friends. They're even giving me my own name. Each time they call me on set, they go, "Hey, Bikisayo!" I'm like, "Sure." We're doing well. Sharp.
Bikisayo!
저기? 올라가서 찍으라고?
그런 것 같습니다.
비키세요!
자, 이제 촬영 들어갑니다!
레디.
롤! 하나, 둘!
귀여워서요. 앉아서 기다려요. 금방 사올게요.
귀엽다고? 좋은 말인 것 같은데.
You tell him, girlfriend. Guys, this is my favorite show. It's called Encounter. Yeah, you can see it on TVN Africa, channel 134. It's an amazing show. Gain control. You know, I've been watching this stuff for so long, I don't even know how many days have passed this. It's incredible. I've gone too deep. Somebody fish me out. I've gone too deep. K-drama. Yeah. That K should stand for killing, because you're a killing drama. Director. Okay. 안녕하세요. 예? 나는 통양다. 지훈 하루 도세요. Hello? So I just got fired. And I learned all this Korean just to get fired. And on that note, Bafwetu, it's time for me to give you the rating for this job. And the rating that I give to this job is a 9 out of 10, Bafwetu. And I'm sure you're thinking, why is giving such a high rating because he lost the job? It's not about the job. It's about the job that I'm doing within the job. Because it makes sense to me. Because I am now a Korean deep down. My life has been changed. And a real Korean like me never, ever gives up. If Sbuda cannot get a job behind the camera, then he will get a job in front of the camera. Azisha! So beautiful people, please like this video. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below and let me know if you have a job, because as you can see, the past 3 did not work out and times are hard.